Hi guys, this is the golden sample of our projector. We just received it, so we are very excited. This is exactly how you will receive it. This is the master carton of the product. So let's open it. Okay, this is the gift box where you have all the information on it. Looks very good. Okay, let's open it. So we made a drawer box. Okay, so first you have the quick start guide with all the necessary information. Don't worry guys, you will also have the complete user manual online that you will be able to download. Okay, then we have the Precious, the U4, very well packed. Too well packed. Glass protector. So here is the U4. Then let's see what we have inside. Don't forget that there is something below that. We have a power adapter over here. We have all the wires needed for all the countries. So we have EU plug also for some other countries and for Switzerland. We have the UK plug, also made for some other countries like India, like UAE, and also Hong Kong. We have the US plug, also for China. And don't worry, for Australia, you will have also your Australian plug. This is a different SKU. And we have an HDMI cable in case you want to plug something else. We have also the remote control. And with the remote control comes also the battery. Then you put the battery inside, like this. Too well packed as well. Here we go.